one more method. So I can write many methods with same name.
Okay.
See, this is main is one method, right? I can declare another method with name main.
Okay.
But I cannot have same input parameters. So now there are like one colleague in office. Okay. Or how to tell? Okay, now there are two pens. One pen in your box. Okay, that is blue pen.
Okay.
Which is well in good condition and everything is working fine. Okay. Will you buy another blue pen? Same company, same everything?
No.
No, right? You might buy a pen with different color or different company or with different features, right? You won't buy a same pen, right? Which is exactly replica of what you have, right? Which is a duplicate. You won't buy a same or duplicate pen, right?
Yes.
At least one feature must be different, right? Then only you feel to buy it, or then only you feel that it is necessary.
Yes.
Correct? So here also the same. Program or Visual Studio will not accept method with same name and same parameters. So my here ARGS is there, right? For main. So string is a one word, one text, right? Something in between a quotes is called a string, right?
Yes.
Whenever you keep the square rectangle brackets, then it is called
This okay.
group of strings array.
Okay.
You know, making an array of one element, right? In AutoCAD you have polar array,
Yes.
rectangular array. Got it?
Yes.
So it is the same. It is the same entity, but you're copying it into multiple entities, right?
Yes.
It is a group of entities. Then only you call it as an array. Polar array, rectangular array. You have these two arrays, right? In AutoCAD.
Yeah.
So the same way, any data type. After that, you are giving the rectangular brackets. Then it is called. It has something in between in that list of group of string. More than one. Okay. More than one. Okay. So this main method is accepting string text, group of string text, means more than one string. An array of strings as input. That variable name is ARGS. It is also a variable. That name is ARGS. That's it. ARGS is a name. Just a name. Data type is an array of string. Okay. So I cannot declare a method. I can declare a method. Come down to your main method ending. Click enter. Write void main. Same exactly replicate that main method. Main method declaration. You can give small letters also, but the rule is we have to maintain capital letters. small letter.
The string should be small.
Brackets, rectangular brackets. No, not flower brackets.
Okay. It is showing.
Okay, don't forget about that, right? ARGS.
Okay. Close the bracket.
And close the bracket and then content of it.
Content of it in a sense?
Flower brackets.
Okay. Type tab.
Okay. See now, I have the same name, right?
Main.
Yeah, yes. So forget about static. That is only an access specifier. That's it. That has nothing to do with the declaration format.
Okay.
Your static will not affect how you are declaring your method or function. Okay, that will only decide whether to access it or not when you are using a class.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Deepa, are you here? You are here, right?
Yes, Pradeep.
Okay. So I cannot write a same, I cannot create a main method again with the same parameters, same features. String here an array with name args is an input parameter for my main method. Okay. So as I told you, right, I won't buy or you won't buy a same pen with same features, same company, everything, right? It will become a duplicate, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Here the same repeats with the Visual Studio also. Visual Studio will not accept a method with same name and same kind of input parameters. But it will give you an option to write different name. Keep that main as main1.
Okay.
See now, the error is gone.
Yes.
So I have changed the name. So it accepted. Either my name can be different or now remove that one in the main. Now remove that input parameters, string, array of string.
Okay.
ARGS also. If I'm removing the data type, I should remove the name also, right? Yes. So here string bracket rectangular brackets is nothing but a data type. So how you are declaring int ABC? Will you write int and leave it?
No.
No.
You
No,
have
right?
to
You should give some name, right?
Yes.
The same way, like your int, there is a string with brackets. That's it. So ARGS is just a name. So when you remove string brackets, then you have to remove ARGS also, right?
Yes.
So now did it accept?
Did?
Did it accept without error? There is no error, right?
Yes. Yes.
There is no error. Why? Because there is a difference. Even though my pen company is same, but maybe color is different. Or maybe its feature is different.
Okay.
Right? Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So my main, I can declare another method with or without or different parameters also. Okay. Here now, how many inputs are there for my main method on top? How many input parameters are there? Only one, right? One array of string it is asking, right?
Yeah.
So even though that string contains many, more than one, but that is still a one input, right? String bracket indicates that it is more than one string, but even though it is more than one string, they are grouped together.
Okay.
That is a single input. Okay. My ARGS is an array of string, but single input. Got it?
Yes.
No confusion, right?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So my ARGS is a group of strings, but even though that is group of strings, but it is a single input, right?
Yes.
Here, I can declare a method with same name as main without input parameters or more than this one parameter. Can you copy that string bracket ARGS and paste it here from top? Okay, I have the same. Now here it is showing an error. Now, if I want to ask one more input from user, you should enter comma.
Comma where?
After
After
ARGS. After
ARGS.
ARGS.
Okay.
ARGS, comma, int A. Anything.
Okay.
So now is the error there?
No.
No. Why? There is a difference, right? So in the previous one, we wrote without input parameters, right?
Yeah.
Even that is possible. Here, we gave one extra parameter. This is also possible. Okay, but it will not allow exactly replica. Okay, it will not allow the duplicate. Okay. See now, when I use my program, now you wrote Girisha, you wrote a class program, and now Santosh is using it. He will write program dot. Now he will get main. See, when you go for right line, in the last you went right in the last line, console.write line, result, when you're printing the result.
Okay.
So when you, after toString, when you click on comma,
After
or,
toString.
or just go to right line.
Okay.
So you can see at the end of the first line, it says 18 overloads.
Overloads. Okay.
So there are 18 right line methods
Okay.
with
Okay.
different input parameters.
Okay.
It depends on what you want to use. So
Okay.
earlier, Santosh asked me, even without toString also, when I'm directly giving integer, it is taking without error.
Yes.
Yes. So my right line method also have one more method with integer as input.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So when you click on comma now here after toString,
Okay.
so see, this is another method which is 14 of 19. You can see there on the left.
Yes.
So it is
Yeah.
14th method out of
Hmm.
19 right line methods.
Okay.
If you still scroll up and down, or so you can see how many types of right line methods are there. Okay.
Yes.
It purely depends upon the use. Why you want to use the right line, how you want to use the right line. It depends upon purely on how you're using it. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now we want only right line method with just a single string as input. That's it.
Okay.
That is why we are not using any commas or something else up. We are not using any other value also. Okay, that's why we are not using any other right line method. We are using only which is taking string as input value. Now you can remove the comma. So when there is no right line method like this with int, as I told you, int in ATS Santosh case, even if he is not converting this C to string, he is just directly passing C, but still it is taking. Why? Because right line method also have integer as input. So out of 19 right line methods, one right line is with right line as int as input. That is why it is accepting and giving the result. But whenever there is no such case, then it will throw an error.
Okay.
Okay. So now you understood.
Yes.
Yes.
We can write many methods with same name. Either input parameters have to be different. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the reason when you want to use a method or function, if you type comma, or you told right, it is expecting a comma when you use two strings, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So there is one more method that accepts two strings.
Okay. Okay.
So you have written two strings without plus symbol, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It thought you want a method with two strings. That is why it is suggesting you missed a comma.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got it? So
Yes. Yes.
that is the story behind.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now you are clear, right? So you got the
Yes.
result, and you understood the spaces how to give also, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And did you try the subtraction?
Yes. Yes. It is here.
Okay, done. And how you created another project in solution?
Yeah. Like I went here, right click, and here
No,
it is add
just add
new
new
project.
project. Yes, got it. The same method. Yes.
So then we need to select this one, and I need to give the project name.
Yes.
But while running the problem, right, Girija? Like, as with this.
There also we should not create the debug point in different projects at the same time.
Okay.
If I have the two debug points at the two projects, then the error will come.
Okay.
Like,
It's because of the debug point, right?
Debug points, yes. If I want to like check this debug, I need to keep the debug point in this program, this project itself. There should not be any other debug points here.
Okay.
That was the thing which I was facing.
Okay, now I want you to run or keep a debug point in subtraction.
Okay. Subtraction.
Yes.
I don't have this. There is for you people, it is showing the number for each line, right? Why I don't have that one?
The line number. Right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will check and tell you. Maybe that was setting missing in your Visual Studio, I think. I will check and tell you like why it is not visible for you.
Okay. So shall I keep the
Okay.
point at
Yeah,
end of
at
that
console dot right click, enter value A.
enter value A. Okay.
Yes, you can remove all of that.
Okay.
Now can you run?
Yes. So enter value for A, it is asking. Hello?
Yeah, yes, we are here, Girija.
Yes. So again, it is asking the value for B. Shall I enter?
No, where are you? Like, we cannot see the command prompt. It didn't come. It didn't come to your console dot right line, right? There is no yellow indication.
Okay.
See,
I
there
kept
is nothing.
the debug. Okay, so what I did the mistake here?
So it is not dependent on debug point.
Is it okay?
So debug
So
point is only for checking.
So you can have n number of debug points anywhere in any project. Okay.
Okay. Is
So,
it? Okay. But yesterday I was getting some error.
Whatever you are getting, the enter value A is from your addition project.
Yeah.
Try to give inputs and check. Try to give the inputs and check. It will add and give you the result, not subtract.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Type your command prompt something 2 and 5 something like that.
Okay. Where I need to type?
In your command prompt,
it
is asking for you.
Here.
It is asking for you, right?
Yes.
Type some
So,
two values and check the result.
So it's not showing the result here. It's not displaying. And if I click, just a minute.
No, after that start, Girija, that also you can use it.
Just
why
start
this
the
is
program.
not going?
Don't use this. Don't use that symbol. Only that. Okay, I think you shared only the one window.
Is it? Okay.
That is why it will not allow you to minimize it. Even you minimize it, only that will be shown.
So stop sharing and shall I? Okay, now it came. If I click
No,
this
not that one. Not that one. Not that one. The side one. Remember all three of you. You just click this button. So that beside button is nothing but start as an exe without debugging. So even if you even if you keep the debug point, it will not hit the debug point.
Okay.
You want to test your application, right? So you have to use this start, not that one.
If I use this start, no, it won't show me the result.
It will show, but it will not come to you the code. It will not come to the code. It will directly go to the command prompt. It will ask you the inputs and it will show the result.
So now where it is showing the result?
In your command prompt. I think did it got opened?
It opened and closed it.
Okay, then give another read line. So I told you, I told you, right? Whenever something is printing, it will close it. So to see the result, we have to give a dummy read line.
Dummy read line after all the program then.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. Is it okay
empty.
now?
Yeah, it is okay now. But
Okay.
okay,
So if
go
I
on.
start the program again.
It will start and close because your subtraction code is not running.
Where I am, okay. Only the addition code is running
Addition
right
code
now.
is running.
Okay. Mhm. Okay.
Now did you get that?
So, yeah. So the program the project which I created in the beginning, it is running.
Yes.
Okay.
So there is something called startup program. Startup program.
Okay.
So if you have startup project, not program, startup project. So initially when you create a project, Visual Studio only will have one project in the solution, right? So as there is only one project, it will by default set the settings as default project. What is there inside is the starting project.
Okay.
If you have multiple projects, if you're adding more than one, you should decide which one should be the start.
Okay.
Now you have different projects and you have different main methods, different class program also. Which one should start, that you have to tell that Visual Studio.
Okay.
Okay. For that, what you need is you have to set the start of the application. Go to under training underscore project one, you have properties, right?
Yeah.
Just double click, not that. In your Solution Explorer.
Okay.
Maybe this will clear your doubt, Santosh.
Yes,
And note down for you also, Deepa. Maybe you can create multiple products in the same solution, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, some other thing.
Okay.
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 Double click on properties and insert the project. Go to application, the first one.
Application.
Now build is highlighted, right, on the left pane. Left pane, you have options: application, build events, debug. Come to the left more.
Application.
Okay.
Okay. Is there any setting here? No. Okay. Other than this, you can just close this. Okay. Go to the startup object.
Startup set is startup project object.
Click on that. Is anything there inside?
Will this?
Drop down.
No.
This one.
Below that.
Below that.
Okay. Training project. Program one. Only one option is available.
Yeah. No. Good. Besides start, you have one thing. Check training project one. On your start, when you want to run the application. Beside that.
Okay. Yeah.
Click on that. You have all the projects, right?
Yes.
Here inside this subtraction, this one. Which one you want to run your program, right?
Okay.
Set the startup object to the program.
Okay.
After selecting the project, inside the project, what you want to run, which class? Okay. So if you want to go run this subtraction, select the subtraction and set the startup object to
How to close this?
Below. Yeah, there. Yes. Don't close it now. You have to set one more thing.
Startup object.
Yes, you have to change this startup object to this one, not this one.
Here only one option is available.
No, change or open this properties window after shifting your project.
Subtraction. Okay, okay. So to close this one, it's not showing the image. Unable to find where to close. Okay, this is the one I think. So I need to go for the subtraction. Or okay, after selecting here the subtraction, if I go, or I need to go to the properties here. How it is? Hello?
Okay. Yep, Girija. So go to the properties, set this to
Yeah.
program.
Okay, subtraction program.
So when you go to the specific project properties, it will show you only the classes of the of the project itself. So when you go to the properties of training project, you cannot get program from subtraction.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, it will show you only the classes of that particular project only. Okay, now go to the properties of multiplication. Set program as your startup object. You can close it. Okay, got it. So as I told you, right, main method is the starting point of this, right?
Yes.
Okay, main, it will only recognize any method with MAIN name, right? So how will it recognize a class? Tell anyone got idea?
No.
How will that Visual Studio will recognize a class? What is the default class? Not program. This is the one, startup object.
Okay.
Okay. You can ask me one question, why it worked before this? Because your project only have one class. Okay. That is why it took that class as a default class while running. Okay. But when you have multiple classes, like program 1, program 2, program 3, 4, 5, something like that, then it cannot decide. So then it will throw you an error. Okay. Then you have to give program is my start class for this project. So in that program, there should be, okay, got it? You need not to give anything for, you should have a main method.
Okay.
A method with name main. There is nothing settings for method to be that this is a start. Any method should to become a start, it should be with a name main.
Okay.
But a program does not have anything like that. By default, if it is a program, like anything, any class with name program cannot be the start. Okay. You have to set for class, you have to set in the properties. For method, you have to write a method with name main. Getting confused?
Yeah,
Yes.
actually.
Okay. Now go to training project one properties. Here, go set it as project one program. So here startup object means startup class.